guys.
There you go.
Hey guys, Christina Steenberg here, Superstore Director for the Fresh Scentsy Smell Air. I'm at Scentsy Film Reunion. But I want to show you guys our commemorative go, because it's amazing. And it's got one of our new wraps on it. And we're coming out with Scentsy wraps in the catalog. And I want to show you guys how to put them on. I'm going to try to put one on. And we're going to pray about it together so that we know, hard, easy, what? So Scentsy's coming out with 4 different wraps that you guys can decorate your Scentsy Goes with. We got this special wrap today for our event, and we got a special Scentsy Go for our event. But the Scentsy Goes you guys already have, we're going to have wraps for. And they're really, really cute in the new catalog. I think they're only $5, right? I think so. So I'm going to try to put mine on here. I just burped, I'm sorry. See how easy it is. I'm on the struggle bus today, they would tell you. You don't have to be like super quiet, Jessica, if you feel like ever saying it. You guys are weird. I got it off faster than the other guy did.
So you have nails.
Oh, cool! Like you can kind of see like through it. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do it. I'm really nervous about like messing it up. But he said, just remember, just make sure
right side up.
I do have it right side up. I didn't know that was something he had to repeatedly tell people. Like, is it something people keep doing?
Well, it must be if it's having to repeat itself.
So you gotta like line it up. Sandra. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I'm so scared to like do it. Okay.
You can pull it off like he did.
I know. It's gonna be fine.
Katie Brown says hi.
Hi, Katie Brown. I love you. I keep messing it up. Like I get it like almost all the way, and then at the very bottom, it's like a little separation. I just want to line it up perfectly. Oh, I almost messed it up. Come on, go down there. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I got a lump. Hold on. No, I didn't. Okay, so there's one side. Wrapped my Scentsy Go. Do you think there's any charge? No. I gotta charge it. Okay, the other one. This is a very exciting video.
It's very exciting.
I think it's really cool. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done. It's a DIY commemorative item here.
Katie Brown, it's me, Jess Comer.
What'd she say?
She said, who's filming?
She said, who's filming?
Yeah.
It's me, Katie. I did it that second time because I'm a pro at this now. The second time.
It's so pretty lit up. I wish it was.
What?
Got more shot than I would have had. If y'all kind of sideways.
Oh, pretty.
It really is pretty.
Done.
Done, son.
Easy peasy. Legit done.
Okay. Bye.